Alright, here's the alien box. I've been looking forward to this one. What could be in here? I'm gonna unbox this now. Open, open, open. Dun dun. Whoa, we already know what's gonna be right in there, don't we? There's our face hugger. I've heard this guy was in here. Inside there, we got a little slip. Here's the face hugger. Alright, check him out. It's kind of like an alien pod, right? He's gonna jump out in my face. I don't know about that. It's pretty durable. He definitely has some strong armature wire in there. You can see how he's posable and stuff. That's pretty sweet. Check out his little limbs. Nice. Nice. Alright, we'll play with some tricks with him later, but check him out. Cool face hugger. Next in the box is a mysterious box. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Must be stuffed with something cool. Ta-dum. Ta-dum. First, pull this out. We have the t-shirt. Look forward to putting that one on. Looks like another face hugger. And here, we got the Covenant Weyland-Yutani hat. That's right, one size fits all. Bottle opener. Excellent. Yet another face hugger. I see a theme here. I see a theme here. You know, surprised there's not more or something with the Xenomorph other than the box lid. Some pens. And that's the scoop.